How to fix Steam error code 21 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Windows Network Troubleshooter is a built-in tool that can identify and automatically correct certain network-related issues. If Steam error code 21 is a result of connection problems, the troubleshooter can be invaluable in pinpointing the root of the problem. Steam has multiple servers spread across various regions. Sometimes, the server allocated to your region might be overloaded or experience issues. By switching to a different server region, you could bypass this challenge. Under Download Region, select a different location from the drop-down menu. Click OK and restart Steam. Over time, accumulated cache on Steam can cause disruptions. Clearing both the download and web cache can refresh the platform and potentially eliminate any issues. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, once and go to Properties.